How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Nova SS. Got steel cowl hood on it. It's done in Victory Red. Super nice car. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got a nice 350 in it. See, it's got all the SS rocker trim on it. Nice set of 17-inch Riddlers. It's a nice, clean, solid car. See, the rear bumper looks real nice. It's been re-chromed or replaced. All the panel fitment's nice on the car. It is an original panel car. Tell you, I really like the Novas with all the trim around the windows. A lot of them don't have that. It's got your disc brakes up front. The front bumper looks like it's all been replaced. The grill's in real good condition. Now this is a GM crate 350. It's got the GM bow tie intake, got Holley carb. It's got all your billet pulleys with serpentine belt and brackets. It's got your polished AC compressor, aluminum radiator. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering. Just a super nice car. Get in it, cruise it. Paint's real flat on the car. Nice and clean. Interior's real nice. Got tilt wheel. Headliner looks real nice and tight. It's all been replaced. Got a nice set of bucket seats. Got B&M floor shifter. Jams look good. Got all dark smoked glass in the car. Looks really tough. You got the air on, nice and cool, windows up. Trunk's nice and clean. It's got the original spare and jack. They did move the battery to the rear, did a real nice battery mount. I like the bucket seats in it. Got a little headrest. Look real nice. Got a nice AM/FM CD stereo system. See all your AC controls and vents. Got trio gauges under there. It's also got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Super nice car, guys. Fires right up. Everything on the car works. Sounds real good. It's got nice duals out the back. It's got all ceramic coated headers. Sounds good out the exhaust. Backup lights, everything worked like they should. Just a super nice car, guys. Ready to get in, cruise it, go to your local shows, have a real good time with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.